Welcome back to Agile Equipment. This is the Actichem Ultimate Spotting Kit, and if you're in the business of carpet restoration, this thing earns its keep on day one. It's a fully loaded stain removal kit built tough in a lockable carry case so you can take it on site without worrying about leaks, spills, or missing bottles. Everything has its place, and everything in here works.
You're getting 12 spotters, each designed for real-world stains. CTR for tannin stains like coffee, tea, wine, and cola. Protein spotter for blood, dairy, vomit, and food spills. Brownaway knocks out browning and watermarks. And citrus gel makes short work of adhesives, lipsticks, butter, tar, even gum.
POG takes on paint, oil, cosmetics, and furniture stains. Rust Remover cuts straight through rust and old blood spots. For odors and urine, hit it with Pet and Flood. And when you're dealing with tough dyes or red cordial, bring in Conquer. OxyBoost powers through deep-set organic stains with oxygen-activated lift. You've also got VDS for general soils and spills, plus orange solvent and the gum getter for grease, gum, polish, and more.
And to bring it all together, a tamping brush, chemical-resistant sprays, premium towels, pH test strips, and a full spotting chart to guide you every step of the way.
Whether you're doing residential or commercial carpet cleaning, this kit is built to handle the work. The Actichem Ultimate Spotting Kit, come check it out at our Murray location in Brisbane or buy it from our website agileequipment.com.au. Thanks for watching.